It all started with our arrival in the vibrant city of Da Nang. The moment we landed, the city's energy pulled us in, where we are welcomed by stunning decorations. From our hotel room, we were treated to a stunning view of the Dragon Bridge. On day 2, we went to Bana Hills, where we began with an epic cable ride, and then the Golden Bridge, with giant stone hands holding it up. Then we wandered the French village, which felt like we'd been transported to Europe. We also stopped by a peaceful Buddhist temple, surrounded by the calming sounds of bells and the scent of incense. And the medieval garden, but to be honest, the highlight of the day was the cable car ride. Day 3 was a perfect mix of adventure and culture. We started with a visit to the Lady Buddha, standing tall and serene, overlooking the coastline. The atmosphere was so calming. From there, we took on the challenge of the Marble Mountain. The climb was tough, but the views at the top were simply mind-blowing. Panoramic landscapes, ancient pagodas, and caves hidden in the cliffs. After that workout, we headed to Hoi An for lunch. The ancient streets of Hoi An were straight out of a history book, and we got to stroll around, shop, and soak in the rich culture. We wrapped up the day with a flight from Da Nang to Hanoi, excited for what's next. On day 4, we hit the road for a scenic trip to Sapa, and once in Sapa, we enjoyed a delicious lunch and explored the lively, colorful streets of the city. But the highlight was the Kat Kat village. We hiked down into the village and really got to experience the local culture up close. It was such an authentic, unforgettable part of the trip. And that's just the beginning of our Vietnam journey. There's so much more to share. So stay tuned for our next video.